By now you've undoubtedly heard about the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. But what is it? Is it just SOLIDWORKS on the cloud, or some new product altogether from Dassault Systems? In this video, we'll explain what it is, why it exists, and give an overview of how the system works. My favorite explanation of the platform is a single source of truth for your organization. I think that phrase really encompasses the benefits that the system provides. The platform simply provides you with your own private and secure section of the cloud. It's a space where you can store your files in an accessible area and communicate design information and work directly within your web browser. Think about your organization for a moment. Whether your organization is large or small, chances are this will apply. Does everyone in the organization have access to the information that they need, and only the information that they need, at all times? I'm going to wager a guess and say no. In fact, that's less of a guess and more of an observation from what we've seen in the past 3 decades of being in business. It's very difficult to get every member of your team access to the information that they need when they need it. And that's where the platform really shines. All of your information is in one place, that single source of truth, and in your control as to who has access and what information and which tools they need to make use of it. The platform itself is simply a backbone for tools to build upon. It provides an environment in which your tools can operate. The platform can be customized with tools that are specific to your needs rather than delivered as a complete system. Here's how it works. When you purchase licenses, you're granted access to what's called a tenant. This is your private space on the cloud. You can choose who has access to the information available on your tenant. Access is provided by obtaining licenses that are called roles. A role is just a preset package of applications that's designed to meet a specific purpose. Roles are analogous to the way that software is currently delivered today. For example, you might get a seat of SOLIDWORKS and simulation for an engineer, and Composer and Visualize for a member of the marketing team. In the same way, you would obtain the applicable roles for each member of your team. This provides them with the access to the information that they need, as well as the necessary tools to interact with it based upon their daily tasks. You'll find that this site is organized based on these levels. The number of roles available is extensive and ever growing, so to help you navigate these tools, we've broken them down into categories. Simply browse each category for the related roles. Each role will provide you with the information and the key applications that come along with the role and the benefits that it provides.